I thought I'd show you an easy way to clean these Dash Mini Griddles and the Dash Mini Grills.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
So I have a Dash Mini Griddle and a Dash Mini Grill. They've been cooling down right now. They're much cooler than they were. I use both of them. And what I do is I get a paper towel and I wet it and I fold it in half and I just lay it in each one and then I close them, and it kind of steams everything and it kind of softens everything. So right now everything's nice and cool, and I don't know if you could see this. I'm just gonna use it to wipe off the top and wipe off the bottom. And it's a lot easier to clean this way than to wait till stuff is dried on. So I'm just going to get another paper towel and just wipe the rest of that off. And there's that one, good to go. And then let's take a look at the grill. The grill has indentation, so it's a little more tricky to clean. You actually want to get into all those little indentations, and here on the bottom also. But again, it softens everything up and nothing sticks, and it's just a lot easier to clean this way. So that's the first paper towel. And I'll just I'll wipe this down a few times. I'll probably get another wet paper towel just to make sure we get everything off of this one. And there they are, nice and clean. It was really easy to clean these. So try to remember that the next time you use these. When you're done, when they're like a mess inside, just wet a paper towel, put the wet paper towel inside of here, close the tops, and if they're really hot, like you'll see a bunch of steam and everything, but don't worry, because if they're unplugged, I've never seen like paper towel catch fire or anything because you wet the paper towel. And just let it sit there until everything is cooled down, and it's super easy to clean. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.